This is what I personally think is the best feature in this hotel room. So there's a USB and battery charger only power ports, and get this entrance, ceiling, bathroom, desk, and this is the bedroom light. Of course, we can turn that all off again and then just have the bedroom light. Have that as light or as dark as you please. And over here, we've got focus. We've got air conditioner control, and that's all quite typical for an air conditioner. I just love that it's all completely controllable. Focus, completely controllable from this little panel here. And that's here at APA Hotel, which is a range of hotels. Thank you very much. That is all. Good day.